Dum dum, dum dum. Hey, AI in action. Let's go. AI in action.
Hi, welcome back to AI in Action. Action being the ultimate word. All right, so last time we talked about securing your AI tool. This time we're going to talk about personalization, making it sound like you. Okay? So if ChatGPT feels generic, it's because it doesn't. We're about to fix that step by step in under 5 minutes. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. All right, so go to the bottom left corner right here. Click your name. Click personalization. Okay, personalization box pops up. All right, let's go. Let's just go down. Okay, so first thing, look at the base style and tone. Okay, you can choose from default to professional to friendly to candid to quirky to efficient to cynical. Pick one that matches how you naturally communicate. Don't overthink it. Notice I picked candid because that's how I'm direct. I'm very encouraging. Okay. So all right, let's hit the next section. Characteristics right here. All right, you got 4 buttons here. All right. Each option you can do a less, more, or default. So you can do less, more, or default. Notice all mine are on default. Okay. But if you like structure, go to header and list and click more. If you like more personality, go to warm and click more, and enthusiastic and click more. Okay? So if you like structure, turn it up. If you like personality, turn up warm and enthusiastic. If you like structure, turn up header and list. Okay? All right, let's move to the next one. All right, custom instructions. This is the brain of your personality, your personalization. Okay? So this is where you're going to tell it who you are right here in this little box, what you do, who you help, how you want responses. Okay. An example could be I'm an educator and course creator. I help beginners understand AI, respond in a clear, step-by-step, encouraging way. Okay. Now, me, at the time, I wasn't doing AI when I first started out last year. So mine is based on the fact that I do multiple things. And education packaging is just that's one of my specialties. Okay. So let's jump down to about this is where now you can make it personal. Okay. So put your nickname here if you have a nickname. My students know me by Mrs. B, so that's the reason why I have that there. In occupation, put down what you do. Okay. You don't have to be as detailed and thorough as I am, but this is where I put my a short version of my resume. It's what I put inside the occupation. But notice it's not long, it's short and sweet. Okay, the next thing is more about you. This is where, like, if you had a social media bio, this is where you would put your bio. Okay, so this helps ChatGPT recognize you across conversations. All right, let's move on down to memory. Move on down the road. Okay, don't get me started. So memory, this is where you turn memory on. Okay, so reference save memories. Make sure it's on, make sure it's blue. Reference chat history, make sure it's blue. This is what makes ChatGPT remember you over time. All right, let's keep going. Jump down to record mode. All right, in here, you want to make sure this is on as well. Okay, this just helps it learn from the interactions that you have. And no, we are not training AI by having these buttons on. Okay, because I know we talked about that last week with the security. All right, with the advanced mode, leave most of this alone. Web search should be on. Make sure the web search is blue. Make sure canvas is blue. Voice is optional. Okay, these are tools that's not required for personalization. Okay, all right, now guess what? You're done. Now ChatGPT doesn't respond like a robot. It responds like it knows you. Alrighty, that's it for this lesson. See you next time.
Fix AI in action. That's the mix. AI, 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 AI in action. AI in action. AI. Work smart, not hard. You ask, it answers. Then what? I make it better.